Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a polygonal puzzle. I'm trying to guess a word, and where the shape at the top is repeated, the letter is repeated. I've got an 8-letter word today with not that many repeated letters, so it might be an ing ending, for example, which would have the G also in there. The first thing that springs to mind is, oh no, dredging, that has the G and the T the wrong way round. So it can't be that. What could this be? H? Hoffing? Is that even a word? It's not going to be correct, but let's at least find out if it's an ing ending. Oh, it's nowhere near. I'm glad I didn't spend too much longer thinking of an ing ending. At least we've got the I in the right place. That might help. What do we think this ending might be? I suppose it could be so many things. Tiv, that's an ending. That would have to have an E there and a T there. Or I suppose it could be S's. Or it could be something completely different altogether. I suppose it could be side. Safe side. Is there anything else similar to that that is actually a word? I don't think safe side would be accepted, would it? No. And nor would same side. And seaside obviously just doesn't fit the pattern. So how does that help instead? It may well be a compound word. But that doesn't really help me because I don't know what either half of the compound is at the moment. I suppose it could be list or something like that. Long list doesn't quite work, and I don't even know if it's a word. Short list definitely is, of course. What could this letter be apart from an L? Oh, I don't know. This might be one where I have to go for something that I know is not correct just to give myself some more information. I mean, it could be a Y ending, but unless it's something like anonymity, which clearly it's not, I can't see how we're going to have a second Y here. Or it could be ear, as in I-E-R. That's promising, possibly. What would this letter be? That's the question. It almost looks like twistia, but it's obviously not. It could be something like twinties. No, it would have to be an S there, so it would be twisties. I think they're a snack in Australia, but we can't use a duplicated I anyway. So, and I mean it's capitalised, of course, if it's even a word at all. Right, so let's put that out. Now that we're thinking of the S being in that position, does that help? I suppose it still could be T. Toasties would have worked, except we've now ruled out the O. What else could it be? I'm just going to try toasties. Yeah, see, I've got a lot more information now. So we've got a duplicated T, but it's not in those positions, so it has to be in those positions. The E surely is not going to be here. EI, and it can't be here because we just got it yellow. So it's E is second or third. I think we're going to have the S there because again we have to use exactly one. It can't be the letter that's duplicated. It's looking like list again, isn't it? I suppose it could be something? No, I don't like the look of that either. What could it be if it's list? Left list. It's just not a word, is it? I'm not sure anything's a word. So if it's an IST ending, what would this fifth letter be? That's the question. Yeah, I mean it looks like central interest or something like that. But I just don't know what this letter could be. I'm sure I'm close, I'm just obviously not close enough. Well, I'm obviously close because I've got the T's and the I's in the right place. But that's not much help. What if it's not an S in there? It could be ES there. Restrict. There we go. I was barking up the wrong tree with the ending the whole time. Very happy to get that in 3. That was quite difficult, at least for my line of thinking anyway. And it does mean that we didn't stretch into the 4s. So the 1s keep just ahead of the 4s with a little bit of wiggle room as well. So that's nice. So that's Polygonle Puzzle. Thank you for watching and bye for now.